How's it going, everybody? I wanted to apologize for not having a video out in quite a while, but I've been busy playing around with this. This is the final step before we can actually start smelting the aluminum copper. What I'm doing is I'm getting the refractory cement to harden and to finish its curing process. Had to wait an entire week for that stuff to actually dry to the point of where it wouldn't bubble and crack. This is definitely working excellent. That's borax in there. It's to help season the crucible. I'm just testing everything out, making sure it works. I'll be getting a bigger block pad around here so there's no grass. But this is working excellent. Next step will be putting the motor nozzle in some green sand, and then after putting it in the green sand, we'll have to do a couple practices with pouring. But yeah, here's what I've been up to. I'll be making a lot more videos now that I got this running. Had a little issues at first with sputtering, but then I figured out the air to fuel ratio. You gotta play around with it. So yeah, guys, hope you're ready. We're gonna start making some rocket nozzles.